You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this fruit and tree and seed, native to southern Mexico, Central America. If you want to learn more Mexican food names, stay tuned. I've got many more. So the Spanish pronunciation is as Mamey Sapote. Mamey Sapote. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can use the similar English pronunciation. Mamey Sapote. Mamey Sapote. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.